Hi! Yay, welcome to my channel. I am Locs with Kayla. No, I am Kayla and this is Locs with Kayla. So, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. This week I have a easy tutorial for you. If you were here the week before last or whatever, you guys probably caught my video on how to do a lock bow. That video was crazy. That style, I would say, was advanced to intermediate. This style is a beginner style, so if you're just looking to do a quick updo for your night out, you want to look bossy, then this is going to be the video for you. So I got the inspiration for this hairdo from Kashdoll. This is her. This style, when I seen it, I was like, I have to figure out how to do this with my locks. And now my hair is long enough to where I can do it and look super cute. So I would say that this style is for longer hair. If your hair isn't longer, then definitely grab you some lock extensions. I'm gonna tag those in the description box. They sell them on Amazon and they're super easy to use. I'm trying to figure out a way how I can demonstrate. I don't have any of them with me right now, but like I make my own lock extensions. If you want to purchase those, then click the link in the description as well and add me on Instagram. DM me. I have all sizes, all shapes, all colors. But yeah, if you just, when you start like with your hair, just wrap the extension around like this and then keep going. But it sounds more difficult than it is. Once I get into how to do this style, you'll understand a lot more. So I digress. Let's get right into it. For this look, all you need is a hair tie. If you want to use bobby pins and all that stuff later, that's up to you. I'm not big on bobby pins. They poke and stick out and end up making my head hurt. So I typically just go for hair ties and tuck in where I can. So to start out, oh, and never forget, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, period. So oh, and also, now that I took that water break, support Black art. My friend from high school did this painting for me and he is so dope. You guys can see the original picture on my Instagram at Locswithkayla, but either way, look at how he captured your girl. Like, let's focus on that for a second. Oh, just did his thing with that. He is so talented. If you want a piece by him, his name on Instagram is Art by Trayvon. I'm going to tag his Instagram below in the description as well, so that you can get something done by him for your parents, for yourself, for your baby, whatever. He is wonderful at portraits, and this piece of art I will keep and cherish for the rest of my life. Okay, so here we go. I am going to start out by just making a ponytail at the top of my head. Oh, and another thing that's going to be different about this video is I actually have not just washed my hair. I washed it about 4 days ago, so it is dry as I'm doing this. I always recommend that when it comes to styling, that you do it with wet hair because it makes it so much easier to manipulate. I'm not doing it with wet hair. All of this hair, if I tried to spritz all of this, it would take forever and it would just be completely pointless. So I'm literally just going to make this work because my hair is long enough to where if it's not wet to do this, it's not going to be the worst thing ever. It just won't be as neat as it could be with it being wet. So as you can see, the bun is literally, or this ponytail is literally at the top of my head. I'm going to pull the strands to make sure that they're nice and tight. because I definitely want this to be as neat as possible. Make sure these are all tight. Okay. And so after that, my mic keeps dropping. I really gotta find my mic clip. Anyway, after that, you split this into two, like this. Okay, so I like to wrap the back first, and you see I just adjusted the hair tie even more so that it's still really secure, because now I'm going to take this piece, move this piece to the side, and simply start twisting this. I'm going to twist it nice and neatly before I start to wrap it, because if you do it as you go, it can get a little hectic, and you want to make sure that all of these pieces are like locked and loaded and nothing's like flinging out too much. This mic just doesn't want to stay up. Okay, so take this, so take your piece that you've rolled and the piece that's not rolled and wrap it around. Oh shoot, matter of fact, you need 2 hair ties for this. So you see it's wrapped once, take it and wrap it again. If your hair is long enough, you can wrap it twice. If not, you may only need to wrap it once. I'm gonna, since I don't have another hair tie on me, just tuck these hairs in. No, matter of fact, I think I'm gonna grab another hair tie. Just for look purposes, I want you guys to really see what it's supposed to look like. And as you go, make sure you tucking in any of those flyaways like how I just did, so that it's nice and neat. But I'll be right back. Okay, so you actually need 3 hair ties to complete this. So as you guys see, I've already rolled this around twice. I'm gonna take my hair tie and just place it at the ball of the twist. Okay, I put it right there. So now I can take these flyaways and tuck them in the middle or wherever they fit. Now I'm going to take this piece that's still loose, or that hasn't been rolled yet, and I'm going to roll that too. And you want to roll it pretty tight so that there's not flyaways coming out and that it looks as neat as possible. You can stop when it gets to where most of the hair is shorter, because if you try to roll this, it's not going to stay anyway. So take that and you begin to roll that too. And And then I take the piece that I just had that was loose and I tuck it in. And now I'm going to take my other hair tie and put it right here. And voila! We have a Kashdoll Bun, Chinese knot, top knot, whatever you want to call it. It's super fly. I go in after, since I haven't had my hair retightened, and this style can be done without a retightening. It doesn't need to have a fresh retight to be cute. And I just brush up my edges to make sure that it's looking as neat as possible. My hair is super thick and I can't have no BBs poking out. But yep, this is it. And like I said, if you want to be somebody that use bobby pins to keep it secure, to keep the little flyaways from poking out, you can do that. But honestly, nobody really cares about a couple flyaways when you got this bomb natural bun going on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you are able to do this style. I hope that you love this style. I want to see pictures. Tag me in your pictures if you do this style. I want to see them. Make sure you got you a big ear on it. Oh, don't forget your lip. I got this red lip. Oh, I got this red lip that I'm about to throw on to really complete the look. And yeah, let's see. Ooh, look at sis. Yes. So this was a quick little 5-minute updo that you could do if you just trying to get cute for a date night. If you just got somewhere to go and you want to switch it up, I hope this helps you feel more confident and versatile with your locks. You do not have to do the same thing all the time. And if your hair ain't this long, you can like slice it in half and do a half up, half down, because that way you will be able to wrap your hair around itself and not have no issues. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated when I post new videos. And yeah, I'm happy that y'all joined me. I love you. Thank you for tuning in and have a blessed rest of your day.